Auntie Lei, it's such a pleasure to sit with you because we're about to do something that's very close to my heart, and that is art and crafts. And we're doing something very special here that I'm sure is close to your heart.
Yes, the art and craft of lei making is special. The lei is an invitation or it's a promise. And by invitation, I mean if you were to come to the islands for the first time and I gave you or presented you with a lei, I would give you the lei and embrace you and watch your countenance. Because without words, I would be saying, would you allow me to spend time with you and share my Hawaii with you? And then we'd take you around our islands and show you the waterfalls and swim and have a really nice time. The second lei is the promise lei. And that lei basically says, I'm so pleased to have made you my heart friend. And I give you this lei so that you will remember and when necessary, call upon the memories we've made.
Wonderful.
So it's an opening and a closure and a continuance. It's the people's way of honoring each other. Now in old Hawaii, green was the ceremonial lei. And green because it had life. Now our plants are said to be thriving when they're green. Flowers, according to our people, are an outpouring of the plant trying to repropagate itself. So it's at a tender time or kind of a weak time. And so they look at that as special for parties, but green is the lei. And this lei is worn like this.
Thank you, Auntie.
Okay?
This is beautiful.
And it's like a cordage. And that cordage is made very simply. Put two dull ends up and pinch the top together like ears. Okay, so what you're gonna do is take those two ears and twist them to the right. Okay? Then the right's going over the left. And so what you're doing is you're making like a cordage. You're twisting to the right and going over.
Now
Yes.
the tea plant is very useful in the Hawaiian
Yes,
culture.
it is. The ava, the root, can make a liqueur. It is also used for making our sandals.
Oh, wow.
By softening them in this manner and then looping them, like making a sole out of it, and then tying them together so that you make a sandal sole.
Wow.
And then continuing, if you had a sunburn, put that leaf against your cheek. Feels pretty cool, doesn't it?
It does.
Okay.
So this is good for sunburn.
Yes, it takes the heat out, and then if you remove it from your skin, you'll see a shiny spot there, kind of
Yeah,
shiny.
I do.
That's the oil and the heat. So if you
Wow.
wave that into the wind, it would cool again and be ready to use. So when a baby has
Wonderful plant.
fever, we make a little bedding of
Really?
the soft tea leaf
Wow.
to do that. So now that
Amazing.
I've gone down, I'm going to make one leaf, and you're going to do the next one.
Okay.
And so you're twisting to the right and anchoring right over left.
Got it.
There you go.
I thoroughly enjoy crafts, and this is such an honor to be able to sit with you and make leis.
Yes.
I think they're beautiful, and I
This
think
is
when people
the
come to
simplest.
Hawaii, that's one of the treasures that they hope to encounter is to receive a lei from
Yes.
a Hawaiian.
And receive we did. Spending time with Auntie was truly an honor. Her wisdom, artistic touch, and energy could be felt in each lei she shared. Her lessons will never be forgotten and certainly shared for generations to come.